Hey yo, it's Chriso. What I want to show you here is this is a part that is very, very important. I laid these 2 rows yesterday where I'm pointing, right? Now what I've done now is I'm laying out the back there, and I've come through, and you've got to meet up. See my finger? You've got to meet up with these tiles. Now, if you're left halfway through, you will be in big trouble, because like my grout line is, I'm 4 mil out. So my straight edge, I'll push these across. Like so, and that's the problem fixed. But if I was a DIY and it was getting late at night and I went to bed and left it, I would be in big trouble. So the key to it is, when you start it, make sure you can finish the whole thing, and then check it that it's square. Like that. Now I've checked it with a big tile, see that? And it's dead square. So I'm tickled pink. Okay, we'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe, push the button. Yo, give us a thumbs up. See ya, bye.